Madagascar is an Eden-like garden of riches filled with a diversity of life and geography unequaled anywhere else on Earth. Madagascar, an island nation in the Indian Ocean off the southeastern coast of Africa, is the fourth largest island in the world. The island is home to 5% of the world's plant and animal species, more than 80% of which are indigenous to Madagascar. Madagascar's long isolation from the neighboring continents has resulted in a unique mix of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Some ecologists refer to Madagascar as the eighth continent. The first settlers of Madagascar appear to have come from Asia rather than Africa around 700 AD. Madagascar's population of 17 million plus is predominantly of mixed Asian and African origin. DNA research shows that the Malagasy are half Malaysian and half East African, although some Arab, Indian, and European influence is present along the coastal areas. Research also suggests that the island was uninhabited until Malaysian settlers arrived about 1,500 years ago. About 45% of the Malagasy are Christian, divided almost evenly between Catholics and Protestants. The first Malagasy brought the food crops that they had grown in Southeast Asia with them, and today the agricultural regions, with their endless rice paddies, look as if they belong in Asia rather than Africa. In Madagascar, there is a unique and very interesting connection between the rice fields and the making of brick. During the rice growing season, the fields are flooded with water and rice is grown. During the dry season, clay silt, left behind by the floodwaters, is removed, formed, and baked into brick for the building of their homes. Much of the country moves around on the backs and heads of the Malagasy. Due to the cost of imported machinery, much of the moving of dirt and products is done by manual labor or by animals.